This is a 2002 Chevrolet Trailblazer GM 4.2 liter. Diagnosing an engine noise that apparently a lot of 4.2 liters make, and nobody can figure out what it is. This is the intake pulled off, valve cover removed, everything off the front of the engine except for the timing cover, water pump, belt tensioner. Timing marks line up. Camshaft indicated with the black link dot. The upper timing chain guide is removed, marked black in length. The camshaft phaser is horizontal in the advanced position all the way with, that's an inscribed mark. Pistons at top dead center. Is that the noise that I'm hearing? Timing chain guide doesn't appear worn too terribly bad.